Okay. Got the idea here? Okay. It is a developing stem. Okay. What is this region right there called? Axillary meristem. Okay. What is? Pardon?
Auxiliary bud, auxiliary meristem.
Take either one of those. All right. Now this region right across here, called a, no region. It's the whole plant from where I'm crossing over. What is that region called? I'll give you a hint. It's the opposite of from here to here. Node and internode. Okay, a little bit harder question, but node and internode. Okay. The node is where the laterals come out, and between them is an internode. Okay. All right. So, what tissue is the pointer? What tissue? No. There we go. Say it louder. Ground tissue. Yeah, that's ground tissue. Okay. Now if I move up here, however, what tissue is that? Ground meristem. That's right. That's right. Okay. So if I move back here, what tissue is that? Epidermis, yeah. Okay. If I move to like right here, that tissue that lines the surface there would be, No. No, the tissue that lines the surface. I'm not pointing at the apical meristem. Here, I'll point it to it in a different place. Right there. It's the same. Begins with a P. I thought I heard it. There we go. Protoderm. Protoderm. Okay, good. Okay, so here's one everybody will get. What's that right there? Apical meristem. Good. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So let's get a little closer. Those are trichomes. I suppose I could ask that. I usually don't, though. Right there. I'll ask two questions about that. First is tissue type. Tissue type. That's cell. Okay, we'll start with what's the cell? Parenchyma, that's correct. It is parenchyma because of these cell walls there are not even. If I get even closer, I think I can see that. And then, so what kind of tissue is parenchyma? It's in your lecture. Oops, I'm not finding it. Where'd it go? There it is. See how the cell walls are not even all the way around those cells? As opposed to, say, parenchymal cells that are next to it. Who's got their lecture up? Anybody got the lecture pulled up? It's ground tissue. Yeah, it's a type of ground tissue, right? Yeah?
Is there any other kind of tissue?
Yeah, vascular tissue. Well, pull the lecture up. It's right in the very beginning of this unit. Okay. I suppose I could ask monocot or eudicot for this, although I'm not likely to ask that. But the answer would be eudicot.